Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download apps without an Appleid password. Several methods are shared here. Method 1. Use FaceID or TouchID for app downloads. Tap Settings. Tap FaceID and passcode. Enter your screen passcode. Then toggle on iTunes and App Store. Method 2. Disable password for free app downloads. Tap Settings. Tap your Appleid account. Tap Media and Purchases. Tap Password Settings. OK. Toggle off Require Password option. Method 3. Use automatic downloads for app updates. Tap Settings. Tap Apps. Tap App Store. Tap App Updates. Then toggle on the App Updates option. Method 4. Remove current Appleid and sign in with a new one. If you forgot the current Appleid on the iPhone, iPhone Passcode Genius can help remove the Appleid without a passcode. You can download and install it to try it. If Find My iPhone is enabled on your iPhone iOS version of 11.4 or later, you must enable two-factor authentication. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iSendShare iPhone Passcode Genius and select Remove Appleid. Click the Start button. OK. Confirm your screen lock is on. Then make sure the two-factor authentication is on. Your iPhone details are here. Hit the download button to download the firmware package for your iPhone. Click the Unlock button. OK. Hit the Next button. Then follow the steps to unlock Appleid with device passcode. Set up the iPhone until you are on the activation lock screen. Tap Unlock with Passcode. Choose Use Device Passcode. Now enter the screen passcode. Well done. Now the previous Appleid account is removed. You can sign in with another new account to download apps. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.